Hey there, Stephanie Brackett here. I just wanted to jump on and give a brief shout out for the Optimize group and the events that they put on. I was able to attend an event in Victor, Idaho earlier this year, and I came out of that room a different person than I went in. You get in a room with such high-minded individuals that literally can solve any problem in your business or personal life that you're having, because someone in that room has experience doing whatever it is you're trying to overcome. You don't just learn stuff from your own hot seat where you hop on and say, hey, this is what I'm trying to solve, and have a mastermind around that. I took pages and pages of notes from listening to other people's hot seats. So someone would come on and say, this is what I'm dealing with in my business right now, and the ideas just start flying, and you can grab those ideas and think, oh man, I've had that sort of issue before and I can use that in my business, or oh man, I'm dealing with that right now as well and I can use that. So if you want a group that can literally elevate your skills, your knowledge, your ability to run a business, your ability to work in a business, this is a room you want to be in.